In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a drawing on Adobe Fresco. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them in this video. The first thing you can do is duplicate a whole drawing, so the entire file. If you want to do this, you simply want to go back to the Home tab by clicking on the arrow back button top left to go to the Home tab. It's going to start automatically saving your project. And if you want to copy it, you want to find it, click on the three dots to open more actions. And then over here, you have this duplicate option. So if you click on duplicate, as you can see, it's going to duplicate your project. So that's the first way to do it, and that way you've essentially copied your drawing. Now if that's not what you meant and you actually want to copy inside the file, that's also very possible. So we could go and either duplicate the entire layer. To do this, you want to enable layers over here, top right. Then you can just click on the layer or right click it, and when you do this, it's going to pop up layer actions, and you have the duplicate layer option over here. If you click on it, it's going to copy your entire drawing. Okay, but then you can also copy just for example parts of drawings using selection tools. So if I go over here to the left, I can just click on this selection tool, and if I click on it again, I can select the shape. So you could have lasso, magic wand, rectangle, whatever. I'm going to use the lasso tool, and let's say I want to now copy this part over here. Okay, I'm going to just like copy this part of my image over here without the bottom part, like this. Now you could do that, as you can do it like this. As you can see, it's going to basically create a selection, and if you press Ctrl and C on your keyboard, as you can see, selection is going to get copied. And if I now press Ctrl and D to deselect, and now press Ctrl and V to actually paste, as you can see, a new layer has been pasted, and it's only that specific part of my image. Okay, so that's also one thing you can do. I'm just going to click on continue and remove this. There we go. Now, of course, you could also do this for entire drawings. You could use something like Magic Wand to select an entire drawing by clicking on it like this, and it's also going to allow you to kind of create a copy by pressing Ctrl and C and then Ctrl and V, and there we go. You are good to go. Just make sure you're very careful with your selections, because as you can see, this one wasn't selected in the best way because I wasn't precise enough. Okay, so that's all the ways to copy a drawing in Adobe Fresco. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.